My name is Lucas and I'm on Multi-Skills Level 1. I enjoy that it gives you a range of options, so if you're not sure about what you want to do yet, it gives you that chance to have a taste of everything and decide what is best suited for you. Because there's 5 different elements of the Multi-Skills Level 1, and it just gives you a bit of an opportunity to figure out what is best suited for each individual person. I've gained life skills, I've gained skills in plumbing, bricklaying, plastering and electrics. Then we're going on to joinery soon, so I'll gain them as well. They're all very friendly. They're more than happy to help with any questions or any concerns you may have. If you have a question about like your work or your projects, they are more than happy to help you with them. It's very relaxed. Like people learn at their own pace, so it's a very nice college to do that at, because everyone can learn at their own speed and it doesn't matter, you don't have to be the best or the fastest at stuff, it's just you got your own pace. Settling in is really good here because there's a pastoral team and there's also the Oasis room, which is very good if you want to go in and just have a chat with some staff about anything that might be bothering you or anything that you're worried about. You can go to them and you can just have a chat, get it off your chest, and they'll help you settle in really well. I would, yeah. It's a very good place to learn and it's overall just really a nice place to be and do your course and make your choices.